The PowerSmart 24-inch snowblower. I think I'm going to need it. The last time I actually had to use this was 2018. We had some snow and I actually had a breakdown with the belt popping off. It's fixed and the belt no longer pops off, but I do not know if it will handle in the snow. That remains to be seen because we didn't have any more snow. And 2019, 2020, just little flurries here and there. Whatever was out, you could just shovel it. It wasn't even worth getting the machine out. But it has not run since that time. So let's go and see what we can find out. See if it'll run. I have everything ready. We're going to check the oil, put some gas in it. In 2018, I had drained the tank by removing the line from the carbonator and drain that back into my gas can. Gas I have is fresh from this summer, so it's fresh enough. And let's go check. As far as oil, I expect it has, because it hasn't run. Oh yeah, he's definitely got oil. It's probably got enough. I can't see that being a problem. So we'll do that. Before I even put gas in it, let's see if the engine rolls over. Don't have the greatest angle here, unfortunately, but oh yeah. It rolls and has compression. We'll put fuel in. Stash that in there. Okay, I don't know how much that is, but it's going to definitely be enough to see if it runs. I hate when people say that, when they say, you know, they fill the tank like halfway up and they're like, oh, that ought to be enough to see if it runs. What, are you kidding me? It only needs a little sip of gas to do that, but since I'm banking on it going to be started, you know, let's see, here's a cord. I'm going to want that. I will electric start it rather than pull starting it because I don't feel like it. So I got to remember how to do this here. Set the switch to on. Choke goes to the start position. Switch is in the run position. And I think that is most of everything I need, so we'll prime the carbonator. I don't know if it's priming. Usually it starts puking gas out of there, but anyway, everything's good. It's got oil. We'll try it. I don't know. Let's see. Everything should be a go if it's going to run. runs. That's good. She's warm. Not too bad. That's hot. Not too hot. Just hot enough. I'll set the choke back. And what I wanted to talk about while we're here, and let me just get a better shot of that for you. There it is there. The pill bottle. I had a video on this pill bottle a couple of years ago, and Susan flagged it. Apparently, if you play with pills, Susan gets her panties in a twist. But in this pill bottle are extra shear pins and the extra key for the snowblower here. One of these guys right here. So there's the extra key in there and that. Originally, I had put this on here with just the cable tie around the head of it like that or something and tied it on here. Well, it wasn't having it, and I lost that while snowblowing. So I came up with this, which is another pill bottle that I melted a couple of holes in, and then using like a pair of pliers I might have needed to use, fed a cable tie through the 2 holes I created, and now it's locked on there and won't fall off. So anyway, it's a runner. Hope I don't need to use it, but it's here and it does run. So thank you for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.